సార్ మీకు పెట్టింది చూడండి మెసేజ్, మీకే పెట్టాను నేను. మన మీకే రావాలి నా దగ్గర రావాలి. కూడా మనం అందులో సేవ్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే నెంబర్ వాట్సాప్. Send to J5 J4 commerce. J5 commerce. కామర్స్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ కదా ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ వచ్చింది ఈ క్లాస్ 2 కదా మొన్న కొట్టు డైరెక్ట్ గ్రూప్ పెట్టారా ఇదే కదా 10-3 పెట్టారు. కామర్స్ మీరు ఈ క్లాస్ J4 పెట్టాలి కదా దాంట్లో J4 లేదు కదా సార్ పెట్టాలి కామర్స్ వన్ కదా అక్కడ నుంచి సైన్స్ వన్ కూడా పెట్టాలి నాకు డైరెక్ట్ చాలా సార్ J4 కామర్స్కి అది లింక్ పెట్టండి సార్. J5 పెట్టేసాను J4 పెట్టమంటారు J4 ఓపెన్ చేస్తాను సార్. హలో హలో చెప్పండి హలో హలో ఓకే okay sorry students a lot of disturbance I know that so okay now so coming to that okay subtract 30 from 25 using 2's complement. So I told you subtract smaller number from a larger number. In the 2's complement also there are two methods. In 2's complement also there are two methods to perform subtraction. One is subtract smaller number from a larger number and one more is subtract larger number from a smaller number. So subtract 13 from 25 using 1's complement. In the second one is minuend, first one is subtrahend. Okay. First what to do? First the minuend is there, okay, the decimal number convert into binary. After that the 13 is a subtrahend, that 13 is the subtrahend. Again this decimal number also convert into binary. How to convert decimal to binary? You know that one is the decimal number divided by 2, or the directly you can convert using the binary positions. The binary position means the 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, like that. Okay, 13 if you require means which are the numbers you have to add? 8 plus 4 plus 1. What are the steps when you are subtracting smaller number from a larger number? What are the steps? First, find the 2's complement of subtrahend. After that, add to the minuend. Add to the minuend. Carry generates. Here extra digit it will come. If carry generates, discard the carry and write the remaining digits. The remaining digits are the remaining digits are the final difference. The remaining digits are the final difference. Okay, what to do? First, okay, I converted. Here 5 digits are there, here 4 digits are there. What to do? First I have to equalize these digits. To equalize means I have to write 0 on the left hand side, means the leftmost digit. We have to write 0 on the leftmost digit. After that we have to find out 2's complement of subtrahend. 2's complement of subtrahend. Two's complement of subtrahend. Two's complement means what? First you have to perform 1's complement. After that, for the 1's complement value, we have to add 1. 2's complement of subtrahend means 2's complement means what? First we have to perform 1's complement. After that we have to add 1 to the 1's complement value. 2's complement means what, students? First we have to perform 1's complement. After that 1's complement result we have to add 1. Okay. Perform 1's complement first. 1's complement means the 1 will be converted as 0. The 0 will be converted as 1. Okay. Now write 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Now I perform 1's complement. After that what to do? I have to add 1. Where I have to add 1? I have to add 1 to LSB. Means this is called LSB. The rightmost bit, it is called LSB. The leftmost bit, it is called MSB. So once I performed 1's complement, I have to add 1 to the LSB. Okay. 0 plus 1, 1. 0, 0, 1. This is the value of 2's complement of subtrahend. The 2's complement of subtrahend value is equal to what is that? 1 0 0 1 1. 2's complement, what? 2's complement means what, students? 2's complement means first we have to perform 1's complement. After that we have to add 1 to the 1's complement value. 2's complement means what, students? First we have to perform 1's complement. After that we have to add 1 to the 1's complement value. Now I perform 2's complement. After that what to do? This value I have to add to the minuend. What is the minuend value? Minuend equal to what is that? 1 1 0 0 1. Now for this minuend what to do? I have to add a 2's complement of subtrahend. 2's complement of subtrahend equal to how much? 1 0 0 1 1. Now 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means how much? 1 0. 0 right here 1. Again 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means again 1 0. 0 right here 1. 1 plus 0 1. 1 plus 0 1. 1 plus 1 1 0. Sir, here how many digits are there in minuend? 5 digits. In subtrahend 5 digits. But in the result 1 2 3 4 5 6. How many digits are there? 6 digits. Means what I got here? I got extra digit. That is called what? Carry. I got extra digit here. That is called what? Carry. Carry generated. If carry generated, what to do? In a smaller to larger, if carry generates, discard the carry. discard the carry and write the remaining digits. The final difference is equal to discard the carry and write the remaining digits. The final difference is equal to 0, 1, 1, 0, 0 base 2. This is the final result. Sir, in 1's complement, when you are subtracting smaller to larger, if carry generates, we are discarding the carry and we are adding to the LSB. But in 2's complement, when you are subtracting smaller to larger, what to do? If carry generates, discard the carry and write remaining digits. Write remaining digits. The remaining digits are nothing but the final difference. Okay. 25 minus 13, how much? 12. Now, convert this one into, convert the given result into decimal. If I got 12, my answer is correct. Okay. Convert this binary value into decimal. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. 1 8 jar into 1 4 jar. 0 into anything 0, right? So first position 0 into 2 power 0 plus 0 into 2 power 1. 2 power 1 means 2. 1 into 2 square means 4. 1 into 2 cube. 0 into 2 to the power 4. 0 into 2 to the power 4 means 16. So 0 into anything 0. Only we have to take the 1's position value. 1 into 8 plus 1 into 4. How much? 12. Means my answer is correct. Understood what I did? Sir, what to do? When you are subtracting smaller from larger, always the second one is minuend, the first one is subtrahend. First what to do? We have to convert into binary. After once I converted, we have to equalize the digits. If the digits are not equal, in minuend or subtrahend, in the leftmost digits we have to add zeros. If I in this problem for in the subtrahend, I less, here we required the one, here the one digit is less. One digit is less compared to minuend. So that's why what I did here, I added 1 0 to the leftmost digit. Okay. Once equalize the digits, I have to perform 2's complement. Why? Because we are solving 2's complement. Okay. 2's complement of subtrahend. 2's complement means what? First we have to perform 1's complement to the subtrahend. After that result we have to add 1. 1's complement means the 1 will be converted as 0, the 0 will be converted as 1. Okay. After 1's complement result, we have to add 1. Okay. When I added 1, I got this result. After that, this 2's complement value we have to add to the minuend. What is the value of minuend? 1 1 0 0 1. Added 2's complement value to the minuend. Okay, then when I performed addition, 1 plus 1 means how much? 1 0. 0 right here, 1 add here. Again 1 plus 1. 1 plus 0 1. 1 plus 1. 1 0. 0 right here, 1. 1 plus 0 1. 1 plus 0 1. 1 plus 1. 1 0. You know already. Here in minuend 5 digits are there. In subtrahend also 5 digits are there. But in the result I got 6 digits. Sir, when you are subtracting smaller to larger, in the 2's complement, if carry generates, what to do? If carry generates, discard the carry and write the remaining digits. The remaining digits are final difference. Sir, if carry generates, what to do? Discard the carry. Discard the carry and write, discard means remove it and write the remaining digits. The remaining digits are final difference. 25 minus 13, how much? 12. When I converted this binary into decimal, what I got? 12. Means my answer is correct. Understood? Sir, when you are subtracting smaller to larger using 2's complement, if carry generates, discard the carry means remove the carry and write remaining digits. But in 1's complement, if carry generates, we have to remove the carry and add to LSB there. Here we are not adding to LSB. Here what we are doing, we have to discard the carry and write remaining digits. The remaining digits are nothing but a final difference. The carry I removed and we have to write remaining digits. These remaining digits are the final difference. Understood, students? Next. The next one is subtract larger number from a smaller number. In 2's complement, one more technique is there. What is that? Subtracting the larger number from a smaller number. I will explain with an example. The procedure is same. First, we have to find step 1. Find the 2's complement of subtrahend. Add to the minuend. There is, when you are subtracting larger to smaller, there is no carry. There is no carry. I will write the steps only first. Step 1. When you are subtracting larger number from a smaller number, the procedure is same. First, find 2's complement of subtrahend. Step 2. Add to minuend. Add to minuend. Step 3. Add to minuend. The next one is what? After once added to the minuend, if I in smaller to larger, it will generate carry. When you are larger to smaller, it doesn't generate carry. There is no carry. If there is no carry, what to do? Recomplement the given result. When you are performing recomplement the given result. Once I perform the recomplement to the given result, whatever the result I will get, that is final difference. Recomplement the given result, then you will get the final difference. Recomplement the given result, then we will get the final difference. With example, I will tell you once. Subtract 34 from 20 using 1's complement. Using 2's complement, right? This is using 2's complement. First, minuend. Always the minuend is when they are given the problem like this, the minuend is second one. Convert into binary. 16 plus 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Correct. Subtrahend. 34 means which are the numbers you have to add? 16 to power 4 means 16, okay, 32, 0, 16, 0, 0, 1, 2 power 0 means 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 32 plus 2, 34, yes or no? If you are getting that 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 32 plus 2, 34, means here we have to add one remaining zeros. Here also 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 16 plus 4, 20, remaining 16 plus 8, 16 plus 4, 20. So here I add ones remaining zeros. After that, perform 2's complement to the subtrahend. 2's complement of subtrahend equal to 2's complement means what? First we have to perform 1's complement. After that, we have to add 1 to the 1's complement value. 1's complement means 0 will be converted as 1, 1 will be converted as 0. First you have to equalize the digits, right? Here in the minuend we have 5, in subtrahend we have 6. So in minuend we got one less digit, so add 0. Always we have to add 0 left hand side only, leftmost digit only. If you are adding zeros in the leftmost digit, the value doesn't change. If you are adding here zeros, the value will change, the position of 1. If you are adding 0 here, this becomes 2 power 5. If you are adding 0 here, the value will be 2 power 4 only. Yes or no? Equalize the digits. Here 6 is there, here also 6. Now okay. After that, perform 2's complement to the subtrahend. 2's complement means first we have to perform 1's complement, after that we have to add 1 to this value. 1's complement means 0 will be converted as 1, 1 will be converted as 0. 1, 0 becomes 1. Next, for this value add 1. 1 plus 1, how much? 1, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. After that add this value to minuend. After that add this value to minuend. Minuend equal to how much? Minuend value 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Subtrahend value how much? Subtrahend equal to means 2's complement of subtrahend. We have to add 2's complement of, this is a 2's complement of subtrahend. This 2's complement of subtrahend value we have to add to the minuend. 2's complement of subtrahend 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 1, 0. 1 plus 1, 1, 0. Triple 1 means 1 you have to write, double 1 you will get. 1 you have to write here, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. In subtrahend how many digits are there? 6. In minuend 6 digits. In result also 6 digits. There is no carry. So if there is no carry means no carry. There is no carry means what to do? Again we have to perform recomplement. Recomplement means for this result we have to apply 2's complement. 2's complement of 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. 2's complement means what to do? First we have to perform 1's complement. Recomplement means what? Recomplement means for this result we have to apply 2's complement. Why? Because we are solving using 2's complement. If they mention once, we have to perform 1's complement. If we are solving the problem using 2's complement, we have to apply 2's complement here. For this result we have to apply 2's complement. 2's complement means what? First you have to perform 1's complement, after that we have to add 1. First we have to perform 1's complement to this value. 1's complement means 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0. After that we have to add 1. This is 1's complement value of this one. After that add 1 to this number. 1 plus 1, 0. 1 plus 0, 1, 1, 1. And we are subtracting larger to smaller. So put a negative sign in front of the number. Okay. 34 minus 20 minus 34. How much you will get? Minus 14. Convert this. Convert this value into binary into decimal. What is the value? 0, 0, 1, 0. Convert binary to decimal. Positions you take. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube. 8 plus 4 plus 2. 0 into anything 0, right? So only take 1's positions. 1 into 8 plus 1 into 4 plus 1 into 2. How much? 14. So 20 minus 34 minus 14. Here also we got minus 14. When you are subtracting the larger ones from smaller, what to do? We have to put a negative sign in front of the result. If there is no carry, what to do? We have to perform recomplement. Recomplement means whether we have to perform 2's complement or 1's complement to the result. If they are given using 2's complement, if there is no carry, so for this result we have to apply 2's complement. If we are solving using 1's complement, if there is no carry, then for the result we have to apply 1's complement. 2's complement means what? 2's complement means first we have to perform 1's complement, after that we have to add 1 to the 1's complement value, then you will get the result. Understood, students? Thank you. And that next topic, the coding system is there, that is tomorrow I will explain, and I will send homework problems to in WhatsApp group. So please solve it and send to my personal number. Thank you. అదా మై ఆండ్రాయిడ్ అది సరిగ్గా నాకు మళ్ళీ మార్చి ఇంకోటి పెట్టాను పత్రిక డైలీ ఒకటి మొత్తం మీద యూట్యూబ్లో స్ట్రీమ్
Okay, good morning everyone. In yesterday's class we have been completed a simple bar diagram and how to present that diagram with the help of 2 or 3 examples we completed. Then the next one is a multiple bar diagram. Multiple bar diagram. Okay, here as I told that multiple bar diagrams are those diagrams which are presenting adjacent to one another. Means here two bars will be available which are adjacent to one another, in which each category is representing more than one variable. Means at least 2 variables will be available or more than 2 variables will be available. Earlier in simple bar diagram, one category, one class represents only one type of variable, but now in multiple bar diagrams, one class, one category will represent 2 or more than 2 variables. Okay. Now this is called as the multiple bar diagram, and while drawing, after representing one category or one class with 2 or more than 2 variables, we have to leave some gap, then we have to start the another category or another class, and after that the same gap we have to provide in between the different bars or in different categories. Okay, now we will see here how it looks like and how we have to present in the bar diagram, that is in multiple bar diagram. As we have seen that in the table that a country is there, okay, which is presenting or which is having 2 different variables in the form of exports and imports as per the given table. Okay, the country is having imports as well as exports. Means 2 different variables are there which is represented by one single category or one single class. Okay, now to present such a type of variables where more than one variable is available, at that time we have to use multiple bar diagram. Okay, now in the same way USSR is there where 2 different variables are available, exports and imports. France is also 2 variables, India is also 2 variables. Now for this we have to present in the diagram, and that too in multiple bar diagram. When we have to use multiple bar diagram, when a category, when a class is having more than one variable, that is more than two or more than two variables are available, only in such cases we have to use multiple bar diagram. Okay, as usual, first we have to draw the axis, OY axis and OX axis. OY axis and OX axis. Okay, on OX axis what we have to take? Country we have to take. On OY axis what we have to take? Exports and imports. Exports / imports we have to write. Okay, after writing this, now here scale, OX axis equals to 1 okay, here OY axis and OX axis we will take afterwards. Okay, now here as we have seen in the graph paper, here certain bold lines will be available. Okay, in the same way here also bold lines will be there. In between two bold lines 10 tiny lines will be there. Okay, now we have to provide the scale as well as provide the categories. Now first we will see here what type of data is available. Of course the data or the figures are available in crores, and here the highest amount is 48 and the lowest amount is 24. Okay, as usual, okay, we will do one thing here. We will take 5 differences. Yesterday we took 10 difference, 20 difference. Now we will see here by taking 5 differences. Okay, 5, then 10, then 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, then 40, then 45, 50. Okay, 50. Okay, what does it mean here? 1 unit equals to how much crores? 5 crores. On OX axis what the measurement we have to write? 1 unit equals to 5 crores. Okay, 5 crores. Next on this is OY axis and here OX axis. Okay, OX axis, of course countries are there. Here 1 unit equals to 1 country. 1 unit equals to 1 country. Okay, after providing the scale here, now we have to start the measurement. First one is USSR. See here, multiple bar diagrams are there. What we will do here, we will take 2 units. From origin, leave 1 space. Okay, then we will take 2 units for 1 category. Means this is USA. Because exports, for exports 1 unit, for imports another unit. Right, like that. Okay, from origin to this point we have been left 1 unit or 1 centimeter. Then afterwards 2 centimeters or 2 units for USA. Then leave 1 space. Leave 1 space and provide 2 units for USSR. Because equal distance should be maintained in between 2 categories. How much space we have been provided from origin to first category, the same space we have to provide. Then after this again we have to leave the same space. Then the next 2 we have to take for France then leaving one space, again we have to take for another category, that is India. Okay, first space we have to left, then 2 units for USA, leaving 1 unit. Second, next 2 units are for USSR, leave 1 unit. Then 2 units for France, leave 1 unit, and the last 2 units are for India. Okay, next USA, how much it is? 48. Now here we have to understand that for each unit, how much scale we have provided? 5 crores. Okay, 5 crores. Okay, 5 crores. How many lines are there? How many lines in between origin to first unit? 10 lines are available. Okay, now each line is equals to 5 crore divided by 10 lines, means 0.5 crores, or else we can understand like this, that 2 lines equals to 1 crore. 2 lines equals to 1 crore. So don't write this on the graph, just for your understanding. Okay, 1 line equals to 0.5 crore, means 2 lines equals to 1 crore. Okay, like that we have to measure. Okay, first one is USA. Okay, first one is USA. For USA, how much? 48. See here, up to 45 it is available. 45 it is available. Then after 45, how many lines we have to count? Extra 3 crores are there. For each crore, how many lines? 2 lines. Okay, for 3 crores, 6 lines. After 45, count 6 lines on exactly 6th line. On exactly 6th line, draw or mark once again I will repeat. See, up to 45 crores we can measure here easily, because clearly 45 is written here. Then after 45, still 3 crores we have to count. Still 3 crores we have to count, because at 48 we have to mark. Okay, here 45 is the remaining 3 crores. As per the measurement, one line equals to half crore, 2 lines equals to 1 crore. Okay, when 3 crores are available, 3 into 2, 6 lines we have to count. After 45, count 6 lines, 6 tiny lines after 45. Then here at exactly 46th line, 6th line, you have to draw. Okay, here you can write 48 crore. 48 crore. Next, the same category or the same class is representing another variable. One is export, another one is import. For import also we have to present for the same class or same category. Okay, 40 is available. Now here it is 40. At exactly 40 you have to mark, then join. Okay, right here 40. Okay, next. Okay, next. See how much space we have provided here from origin to USA first category. 1 unit we have been provided. The same distance we have to maintain after first category. From USA to USR, 1 unit we have to leave. Then from here we have to represent the other variable. USSR 45 is there. Okay, 45 means here. Okay, 45 is here. Okay, how much we have to write here? 45. Next, the same category, the same class or same country is also having imports of 35 crores. Direct 35 is available here. You can write 35 crores. Mark here and join 35. Okay, in between these two categories, how much space we have provided? Only 1 unit. The same unit we are providing here. Then afterwards we have to present for the next country. France 40, 38. 40 is here. See, 40 is exactly here. Okay, write 40 here. Okay, then France 38 up to 35. Okay, the next 3 crores. For 3 crores, how we have to measure? Each crore is consists of 2 lines. Okay, 3 crores are there. 3 into 2, 6 lines. After 35, okay, after 35, how much we have to count? 6 lines we have to count. 6 lines we have to count. $38. Okay, 38. Okay, next last India 28, 24. 28 means again same. 25 is there. After that 6 lines we have to count. The next exports 24. 24 means 25 is there. Okay, below 25 it will come, means 25th line and including this line we have to leave 2 lines. Okay, 2 lines, or else from 20 4 crore is there. 4 crore means 1 line, 1 crore equals to 2 lines. Okay, 4 into 2, 8 lines. After these 8 lines we have to count. At exactly 8th line you have to draw. $28. $24. Okay, after 20 count 8 lines, then mark, or else below 25 means leaving 25th line and the next line, mark that line, you will get to 24. Okay, after presenting the data, how we have to distinguish, because one category is representing two different bars or two different variables. Which category is related to what we have not mentioned here. Simply we are written here the name of the axis, exports and imports, but which is related to import and which is related to export, we don't know. For this, what we have to do here, we have to mention the empty boxes are exports and the crossed lines are related to imports. Now the same design or the same lines we have to draw only for imports. Okay, exports, the empty boxes are related to exports and the crossed lines bars are imports. Only we have to use for imports. Okay, like this we have to draw. Now the data or the presentation is completed. While marking the variables, we should be very much careful what the scale we have took, how the measurement should be calculated. Okay, accordingly we have to mark, then afterwards we have to join or we have to make the bars. Then finally, because each category or each class is representing with two variables, that's why we have to distinguish with one another. Both the bars should not be similar. Okay, whatever the distinguish things are available, we have to mention on the right side of the page, that is top of the page below the measurement. Okay, write down another problem. Present the data diagrammatically. Present the data diagrammatically. Production of wheat, rice and sugar for 2009 to 2011 within bracket in million tons Present the data diagrammatically. Production of wheat, rice, sugar for 2009 to 2011 in million tons. In million tons. Make a table. Here production, then afterwards 2009, 2010 and 2011. First one is wheat, then rice, then sugar. Wheat, rice, sugar. See, earlier in the previous problem, only two variables were there to be present for each category. Exports and imports were there. But here, for each category, how many variables are there? 3 variables are there. Okay, for each category, 3 variables are there. First one is 13.0, 12.0, then 14, then 10.5, next 11.0, then 13, 9.0, 8.5 and 8. Okay, this is the in data. By using these data, in which each category is having 3 different variables. Okay, these 3 variables we have to present in such a way that each category should present 3 different variables, and all the 3 variables should be adjacent to one another. Okay, after this, okay, now here we have to present the data related to production of wheat, rice and sugar. Okay, here on x-axis, what we will do here, okay, we will take year. Okay, year we will take, and here we will write production of production of wheat, rice, sugar. Production of wheat, rice and sugar. Okay. Now on OX axis, what we are taking here, 1 unit equals to 1 year. On OY axis, 1 unit equals to, see what is the maximum value here? 14 is the maximum value and the least value is 8. Either you can take 1 unit equals to 1 million tons, 1 million tons, or else if you want to present in a simple or in a short diagram, you can take 1 unit equals to 2 million tons. Okay, your wish. I will take here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Means each unit equals to 2 million tons. Okay, what we have to write on measurement, OY axis, 1 unit equals to 2 million tons. 2 million tons. Okay. Now, how many years are there? 3 years are there. 2009. First one is 2009 because here 3 categories are there. That's why we have to take 3 units for each category, for each class. After that, leave 1 space, then 2010, again 3, leaving 1, again take 3, 2011. Okay, first space or first unit is we have to leave, then 3 units should be related to 2009, then leave 1 unit, then 3 units should be related to 2010, leave 1 unit, then 3 units should be related to 2011. In such a way we have to take. Then first 2009. In 2009 take wheat. How much? 13 is there. Okay, 12 is there here. After 12, okay, first 13 is there. Here 12. In between 12 and 14, one small bold line will be available exactly in the middle. Okay, because here 5 lines equals to 1 ton. 5 lines equals to 1 ton, 10 lines equals to 2 tons. Okay, here up to 12 we have been written here. Then after 12 count 5 lines for another 1 million ton. Okay, here you will get that is exactly in the middle of 12 and 14 we will be having 13 million tons of wheat. Okay, exactly at middle we will be having 13. Okay, this 13 is 13 we have to write here. Okay, next rice. Okay, rice is 10.5. Okay, 10.10 is here. As I told that 5 lines equals to 1 million ton. Okay, 10 lines equals to 2 million tons. Here after 10 0.5 is there. Okay, means after 10 how many lines we have to count here? Second and third line, exactly in between second and third line we have to draw. Second and third line just above the 10th unit. This is 10.5. Next, afterwards 9 million tons for sugar. Up to 8 it is there. Exactly in between 8 and 10 one small bold line will be available. Okay, means 1 unit equals to 5 lines. Hence, after 8, only 1 unit is required, or 1 million ton is required, means we have to count 5 small lines, means exactly in between 8 and 10. 9 million tons. Okay, as usual, the empty box is related to wheat, because we have to distinguish here. Then afterwards, rice is crossed lines and horizontal lines, vertical lines will be for sugar. Okay, now here for rice, what we have to do, we have to cross it, or cross lines we have to draw. This is related to rice, and the vertical lines is related to sugar. For each category we have to present with 3 different variables, and each variable should be different with another variable. Okay, next 2010. In 2010 wheat is 12, exactly at this point. See, after these 3 variables we are leaving 1 unit and starting the another category. Okay, 12 units. Okay, here 12 we have to write. The next one is rice, 11 units, means in between 10 and 12, 11 will be there. Here 11 we have to write. The next sugar, 8.5, 8 is here, 8.5 means after 8th bold line, count 2 lines and mark in between second and third line, just above the 8. Okay, here 8.5. Again we have to mark in the same way, that is vertical lines is for sugar and crossed lines is for rice. Okay, next 2011, 14 for wheat, 14 is available here. See, after this category we are leaving 1 unit. The same distance also should be maintained here and in the origin. Then first one is for wheat, that is 14. Then second one is for rice, that is 13. And the last one is sugar, that is 8. It should come here. Again the same thing we have to design, that is vertical lines for sugar and crossed lines should be for rice, and for wheat it should be empty. Okay, like this we have to present. Okay, for every category 3 different variables are there which has to be present. One is for wheat, one is for rice, and another one is for sugar. On scale, 1 unit equals to 2 million tons on OY axis. On OX axis, 1 unit equals to 1 year. and for each category, for each class, 3 different variables are there. How we have been distinguished here means, here we have been specify that the empty box or the empty bars are related to wheat, and the crossed lines are related to rice, and the vertical lines are related to sugar. Means we no need to see the again table while analyzing the diagram. Everything should be available here only. About scale also we have been given the information. About the various 3 bars also given the information. In this way we have to present the data, that is multiple bar diagram. Even sometimes what will happen, instead of having 2 or 3 variables, sometimes we will be having more than 3 variables also. More than 3 variables also, whatever type it may be, whatever data it may be, we have to present the data adjacent to each and every bar for one category. For each category, for every class, adjacent bars should be there without leaving gap. Without leaving gap, we have to present for each category. And second important thing is, in between 2 classes, in between 2 categories, we have to maintain the same distance. Okay, for example, here in between 2009 and 10, how much space we have provided here? Only 1 unit. The same space we have to maintain in between 2010 and 2011. Okay, in this way we have to present. Okay, do one problem. Write down the question. Represent the following data. Represent the following data by using a suitable diagram. Type of commodity, then here expenditure, okay, under expenditure 2 families are there, family A and family B. Means for each item 2 different variables will be available, that is family A and family B. Now what we have to do, on OX axis we have to take types of commodity, and the bars should be related to family A and family B. How many bars will be there? 2 bars will be available for each category or for each class. The first one is food, next rent, next clothes, education, then miscellaneous, and last one is savings. Okay, once again, the types of commodity we have to take on OX axis. On OY axis, what we have to write? Expenditure we have to write. Okay, expenditure we have to write. And while drawing the bars or distinguishing the bars, that is empty and one crossed lines, the empty should be for family A and crossed line should be for family B. Okay, how much they are spending on food? 300 family A, 500 family B. Okay, next rent 200 and here 350. Next 125 on clothes, 250 and 110 on education, and family B is spending 225. Next 75, here 125, 90, 150. Okay, see on x-axis what we have to take, types of commodity we have to take, in which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different categories are available. You just see how much space is available on your graph sheets, how we have to present. Okay, and the equidistance should be there in between two categories. If space is not available, you can draw horizontally or vertically according to your flexibility. Okay, next on x axis we have to take types of commodity, on y axis we have to take expenditure. See how we have to take the measurement here. The maximum is 500 is there and the minimum is 75 is there. 500 is the maximum, 75 is the minimum. Okay, when this is situation, maximum on your page 10 units or maximum 20 units will be available. 10 units or 20 units. If you divide the page into two parts, now here 10 units will be there and below 10 units will be there. Okay, you take the half part of the page where only 10 units will be available. Okay, here better you can provide 30 for each unit. Means here I took 2, 4, 6, 8. In the same way you can take 30. Means for each unit the difference should be 30. 30, 60, 90, 120 and so on. For every unit what should be the size or what should be the difference? 30 should be the difference. Like that up to 300 or 500 you can write, or else even if you want to write, or you can use 50, 100, 150 and so on as per your flexibility. Better you take 50 and 100 and 150 like that. Up to 500 means 10 units it will be sufficient. If you take 50 difference for each category, for each unit, maximum 10 units will be takes place and for last unit will be 500. Okay, you try to draw, then we will continue in the next class.
Good morning one and all. Today we will continue the same topic, that is the important accounting concept under the second chapter. The second chapter is theory base of accounting. Okay, so here the major important thing is to learn your accountancy in effective manner. First we should know the concepts. Each and everything concept we should be understand in a proper way. When we understand the concept in a proper way, then only we can easily solve the accounting problems in a further. Okay, so last class we are discussed and we have started this topic, that is important accounting concept. In that we are discussed one point. What is that one point here? Business entity concept. So here business and as well as owner, it is the differences between a business and as well as owner. Okay, so here especially in a business entity concept, we are going to dividing separately owner and as well we are going to separately dividing business. Both we are dividing separately. Okay, so if it is any business related transactions, we should be recorded in the business book only. If any personal related transactions did, and that one we have to be recorded in a personally as a proprietary books. And we should not add together, okay, so personal is a different and business related is different. Whatever business related transactions are there, and that one only we are going to be recorded in this concept. Okay, so here the concept says what are the business related transactions are there in a business organization, or else day by day what are the business transactions takes place in the organization, and that transactions you have to be recorded under the concept is business entity concept. All business related transactions you should be recorded in a business point of view, not for a proprietary point of view. Okay, always you should treat the transactions in the business point of view, not in the sense of owner's point of view. Clear? So that is the business entity concept. Now we'll move for the next point, that is money measurement concept. Money measurement concept, everybody knows that money, okay, and measurement, we are going to be measure. Okay, what is measurements? We are going to be expressing the values. This is so and so value. Okay, so this watch, okay, this watch have a so and so value. Okay, so that the book have a so and so value. So here the items are expressed certain values, and that will be measurable in terms of money. Okay, so that concept is called as money measurement concept. Please take down the notes related this concept. Money measurement concept, it means that in accounting a record in accounting, a record is made only of those transactions which can be measured in terms of money. Okay, so here for example, business started with cash rupees 15 lakhs. Okay, the next machinery purchased for rupees 1,75,000. Building worth rupees 10 lakh. Furniture worth rupees 1 lakh. Stock worth rupees 75,000, etc. Children, see here.